Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M33 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can set one-handed mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. First go to the settings and click on advanced features. Now here you have to turn on this button one-handed mode. Just turn on and click over one-handed mode. And you have two options. First option is gesture. Swipe down in the middle center of the bottom edge of the screen. That means here you go to swipe down, and one-handed mode is active. Now you can use your phone with one hand only. If you click on this arrow mark, left hand mode will be active, so screen is short to the left hand and you can access all functions of the phone with one hand, that is left hand only. If you want to use full screen mode, then just tap on the empty space and full screen mode will appear. Also you can again swipe down here. This is one-handed mode, actually left-handed mode, and again swipe. One-handed mode will disappear, and now this is full screen mode. And you have another option, button. Just click on button, double tap on the home screen. Double tap this home screen. Just instead of swiping down, just double tap, and one-handed mode is active. This is left-handed mode. For right-handed mode, click here, right-handed mode, left-handed mode, and this is full screen mode. Similarly, you can again double tap on the home screen to have full screen mode. So in this way you can easily customize and set one-handed mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. If you don't want one-handed mode to be active anymore, just turn off this button. In this way you can easily customize. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.